How to Make a Box Plot by Katie Sedor and Emily Lowrie. There are 5 key components to making a box plot. The first of these is the minimum, then the maximum, the median, and the first quartile and third quartile. You then must check your outliers. To do this, you have to find the IQR, which is just Q3 minus Q1. To find the lower fence, you take the minimum and subtract the IQR times 1.5. To find the upper fence, you take the maximum and add the IQR times 1.5. Now that you know the basics, let's try an example. We're going to look at the percentage of college freshmen who graduate in 4 years. Here is the 5-number summary for this set of data. The median percentage of students who graduate in 4 years is 69.9%. The minimum is 43.2%. The maximum is 87.4%. The Q1 is 59.15%, and the Q3 is 74.75%. We then must find if there are any outliers for the data. The IQR is the Q3 minus the Q1, which calculates to 15.6%. We are then going to find the lower fence and the upper fence to see if the minimum and maximum exceed these points. The lower fence calculates to 35.75 and the upper fence calculates to 98.15. Since 35 is less than the minimum, we can conclude that there are no minimum outliers. Since the upper fence is higher than the maximum, we can conclude that there are no upper outliers. Now that we have all the information for this problem, it is time to graph the box plot. We start by numbering the y-axis with numbers that will contain our box plot. Since the maximum is less than the upper fence, we draw that line. And since the minimum is less than the lower fence, we draw that line. We then draw the median and the Q3 and the Q1 lines on the graph. We then connect the Q3 lines to the Q1 and connect the upper fence line to the top of the Q3 and the lower fence line to the bottom of the Q1. It is very important to label your graph. Thank you for watching our presentation.